Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the bot fight mode in Cloudflare. So first of all, simply come here on the cloudflare.com, then simply sign in into your account first. Now over here from the domains section, you just have to simply search for that particular domain. You need to select that where you want to enable the bot protection. So let's say I'm going to simply select my domain. So when you are inside the domain settings, you just have to hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of security, then click on the option of settings. Now when you are in the security settings page, you just have to simply scroll down and look for the option of bot traffic category. Now underneath bot traffic category, you will find the bot fight mode, as you can see over here. So you will see this type of toggle button right next to it. Now since you want to enable it, simply click on the option of this toggle button in order to turn it on, and this way bot fight mode is going to be enabled. Now the bot fight mode is available on the Cloudflare's free plan, and it is going to help identify the traffic matching non-bot patterns. So when it detects this type of traffic, Cloudflare can issue a computational challenge which is designed to make the automated request more expensive for the bots. So after enabling it, you don't need to configure the complicated rules, as bot fight mode protects the entire domain automatically. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.